What have you chosen for your career going forward? Learning or earning? What if you could earn while you learn? Join the one-year blockchain internship program that offers both. Doors are open to graduates of any discipline interested in blockchain. Work closely with the team of scientists, developers, researchers, writers. Get to know how a real blockchain industry works. As progresses, identify your right talent in blockchain and switch to the team you want to excel with. So what specializations you can choose from the internship? Well, about anything related to blockchain technology. How do you apply for the internship? Simple, just go to the website and click the Google form to enter all the details needed. You'll need to upload your resume and complete the technical evaluations. Your profile will be evaluated based on your real interest with blockchain technology. Apply for the internship now.